Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand what is transpose function in Power BI query editor. So for this, we'll go in Power BI. Here we are having the marks of the students. Now we want to convert the rows into columns. How we can do this? Simply click on transpose. Now you can see the name of the student and his or her marks. The next thing which we will do is click here, used first row as a header. So the name of the student and his or her marks. So this is a transpose function in Power BI query editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.